Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the 6 factors that affect soil structure. Soil structure refers to how soil particles aggregate together to form larger units or clumps. The first factor that influences soil structure is the type of soil, which can be sandy, clayey, or loamy. Another factor is organic matter content, as adding organic matter improves soil structure by providing stability and improving water holding capacity. Soil porosity is also important, as the arrangement of soil particles affects the movement of air, water, and roots. The presence of roots plays a role in soil structure formation, as roots help bind particles together and create channels for water and airflow. Soil compaction is another factor that affects soil structure negatively, as it decreases pore spaces and limits the movement of water and air. The amount of moisture in the soil is crucial, as dry soil tends to have poorer structure and can become compacted more easily. Additionally, temperature affects the biological activity in the soil, which can influence decomposition of organic matter and nutrient availability. Human activities, such as tilling and improper land management, can also impact soil structure negatively. Understanding the factors that affect soil structure is essential for sustainable agriculture and land management. Now that you know these 6 factors, you can apply this knowledge to improve soil health and productivity.